Welcome to Simba Fashions, an established manufacturer of ready-made garments in Bangladesh. Our mega factory, comprising of 3 units in the Adamji Export Processing Zone, Dhaka, which has a production capacity of 1 million units per month. Well equipped with modern machinery and well-trained workforce to ensure quality with sustainability. Proudly manufacturing for global brands. And committed towards a better tomorrow. Our core strength is product development driven by teams across the globe. Vast library of styles and fabrications offers wide range. Let's go green and wear blue.